Welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss about the continuous series of standard deviation. Before that I have already discussed about the indivisible series of standard deviation. Now let's start the video, and before the starting video I would like to say a very good day to all of you. Now come to the topic. The topic is continuous series, and in the continuous series we will find three method, that is actual mean method, direct method, assume mean method, and step deviation method. In previous video I have already discussed about in the indivisible series actual mean method, direct method, assume mean method, and step deviation method. So in this screen you can see the actual mean method formula, direct method formula, assume mean method, and step deviation method formula. Every formula has given here. Now come to the questions. The number one question is calculate the standard deviation from the following data. It means कि data has given here and you have to calculate standard deviation. You have to find standard deviation with the help of these four methods which has given here: actual mean method, direct method, assume mean method, and step deviation method. So these four method we will discuss here according to this question. Now here marks and frequency has given. Now come to the actual mean method and direct method. Both we will understand with the same form. Now let's, here x and f has given in the question. All of you see 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, and 30 to 40. The and frequency is 2, 3, 4, and 1. Now we have to find the m. M is what? M is the mid value, and in the mid value what is the formula? Formula is L1 plus L2, lowercase plus lower 1 plus lowercase 2, and divided by 2. It means 10 divided by 2, 5, yani 5 to 5 ja 10. It will be 5. Now here you can see the mid value is 5, same as the 10 plus 20, 30 divided by 5 will be 15, and 50 divided by 5 will be 25, and 70 divided by 2 will be 35. Now when you will calculate the frequency 2, 3, 4, 1, that will be 10. Then it means frequency, number of frequency will be 10. Now according to the formula you have to find f and m. Here you can find m, f and m. It means 5 to the 10, 15 3 the 45, 25 4 the 100, and 35 1 the 35. The all calculate after that 190. It means arithmetic mean you can find by this one, summation fm by f. It means f is what? F is 10 and f is 190. Then it means the arithmetic mean is 19. Now next, the x equal to m minus arithmetic mean. M here is 5 and you have to minus arithmetic mean, that is 19. 19 minus 5 you have done, after you will get minus 14. 15 minus 19, after that you will get minus 4, and 25 minus 19 you will get 6, and 35 minus 19 you will get 16. So this is the value of x. Now after that you have to square it, x value 14 square 196, 4 square 14, and 6 square 36, 16 square 256. And then after you have to what? F into x square according to formula, because standard deviation of formula in actual mean method what want? Fx square by n. Fx square, it means frequency into x square. It means 2 into 196, 392, 3 into 16, 48, 4 into 36, 144, and 1 into 256, 256. After calculate it, you will get 840. It means 840 under root by 10, 0, 0 will be cut, 84, it means under root 84 standard deviation equal to 9.165 is the root of 84. Now this is the actual mean method. I hope you all of you understand, and come to the direct method. Direct method, here f, it means frequency is what? So 2, 3, 4 and 1 which have already given, and mid value we know that how we have to find mid value: 5, 15, 25, 35, and FM you also find it, and M2 square, it means frequency square, M mid value square, 5 square 25, 15 square 225, 25 square 625, and 35 square 1225. FM square, it means frequency and M square. 25 into 2 for 50, 3 into 4, 3 into 225, 675, and 4 into 625, 2500, and 1 into 1225. The value will be 4450 FM square, and according to the formula you have to put it FM square 4450, number of item, it means frequency, is 10, minus arithmetic mean whole square, arithmetic is 19 whole square, and then after you will get the same answer in the both method. I hope you all of you understand. If you have any problem, you can write in the comment, and if you like the video, subscribe the channel and share with your friend. Thanks, and thanks for watching.